Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making your Excel data predictable. Convert ranges to a table and name it because Canva reads structured data more reliably. Once done, save the workbook to a cloud location Canva can access or export a CSV if you prefer. That avoids local permission problems. Then open Canva, pick the design size you need, and add a data supporting element, like a table, chart, or spreadsheet block, so you can link the file directly and begin mapping fields. Now link the file. In Canva's editor, use the Uploads or Data panel to connect the cloud workbook or import a CSV. Grant access if prompted. Next, map your Excel headers to the Canva elements, title, labels, series, and set formats like number, date, or percentage so visuals render correctly. Once mapped, preview pages and charts to confirm alignment. Make sure to refresh the connection after you change Excel, so edits flow into the design rather than creating duplicate or outdated entries. Finish by reviewing every linked element, refresh the data link, check fonts and spacing, and export a test image or PDF to verify output. If fields look wrong, reconnect the file and confirm header names exactly match the mapped fields. Canva is literal about labels. Also check cloud sharing permissions and that the Excel sheet remains a table. One quick troubleshooting tip: if data won't update, resave the source workbook to the cloud and click Reconnect in Canva. That usually restores the sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.